Hello, how are you? Matt Watson here from Carwow. So I'm sitting in a Tesla Model 3 Performance and next to me is a Yiannimized Lamborghini Urus with a Yianni inside it. Let's have a word with him. Hey Mr. How you doing?
Really well, Matt. Really well. And it's weird to be in one of my own cars.
It'll be even weirder when that big show-off SUV from Italy gets hammered by this eco-friendly electric car.
Yeah, I'm hoping not. I've been told on paper they do the same quarter mile. Is that correct? Or have I just been gassed into doing this race?
No, I think actually your car could be slightly quicker if it launches perfectly. Thing is, a Tesla will always launch perfectly. As we know, the Lamborghini sometimes can struggle with traction. If it hooks, it'll win. If it doesn't, you'll be humiliated and I'll be very happy.
Great.
Great, cheers.
So thank you for bringing your car along and letting us film it drag race, Yianni.
Yeah, thanks a lot, mate.
Do you know what? Seeing as it's your car, do you want to do the stats on it?
No, I don't do the stats. I never do the stats, ever. And I'm not going to do the stats now.
Okay, just give me one bit of information. What engine is in it?
4.5.
4.6. 4.8.
4.4. It's a 4-litre V8 twin turbo supercharged quadrupler.
Yes, exactly. Anyway, it's got 650 horsepower and 850 newton meters of torque, driving all four wheels via an 8-speed automatic gearbox, which is the same as you get in an Audi RSQ8 because that's exactly what that car is, but with some more angular bodywork and a lot more showiness and not quite as good really overall. Actually, if you want to see me review his car, click on the pop-out banner up there, I'll follow the link in the description, because I review his car and then he reacts to my reviewing of his car because I'm a bit rude about it. So definitely check out that video. It's quite funny and a bit embarrassing for me and him in certain ways. Now, that Lamborghini starts from around 170 or something £1,000, 180 closer to. Let's see what he paid for his. How much was that Lambo with all the stuff you got fitted to it?
Around £260,000.
What? So like, I'm lost for words. It's about 80 grand over like list. It starts from like 180.
Yeah, but that's a low spec Urus. I don't know anyone that's got a 180 Urus. Usually they're around 205, 210, which is a half decent spec.
Okay, well it'd be doubly embarrassing if you get beaten by this £60,000 Tesla. So let me tell you about this Tesla. It's got dual electric motors. Combined, they put out 490 horsepower and 660 newton meters of torque. It's got all-wheel drive, obviously, no gearbox. Yeah, that's all you need to know, really, apart from maybe the weight, about 1.8 tons, whereas that is 2.2 tons. Well, that's probably about 3 tons with Yianni in it. He had a big breakfast, he did. If he's been to the toilet, it's probably about 2.8 tons. Now, before we race, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss a single upload. Also, if you're thinking about selling your car, you can now sell it through Carwow, and our dealers will bid on your car to get you a great price. So there's no faffing around with randomers coming around your house to check your car. So you can just sell direct through us, and the dealer will come along, pick up the car, take it away, give you the money into your bank account. Anyhow, enough plugs. Let's do this. Let's humiliate Yianni. Well, I'm not sure that I'm going to, but let's try. Let's try. Come on, Tesla. Buy, sell, car, wow. Now, before we race, let's do the customary Carwow sound check. So, rev up your engine, Yianni.
Revs all the way up, and it's got sports exhaust.
And I must admit, it sounds pretty blooming good. This has no noise. So what we're going to do now is overlay some form of amusing electric car sound effects or something for you to appreciate. Do you know what? I think I want to warm up my tyres. Can I warm up my tyres?
Feel free. I'm not warming up my tyres, that's for sure.
I'm too far one way. Let's try the other way. Oh.
That's some very nice drifting. It looks very weird though in a Tesla Model 3 doing that. It just doesn't look right.
Almost nailed it bang on the line, but not quite.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I'm gonna still catch him.
Come on! Come on!
Oh, I still beat him! Yes, I still beat him.
Oh, man!
And that was a terrible launch. Yes. Here's my catch line. Lambo all day, every day.
I've got a horrible, horrible feeling about it. I'm not sure that you'd won.
First of all, that was the worst launch ever. I could see you jumping up and down, and I definitely beat you, mate.
100%. And I'm happy to go again.
No, I definitely don't want to go again. I'll take whatever the action replay shows. I'm not going again.
Because I'm not going to be so lucky next time.
Mate, let's go again. Come on, let's go again. That was a really bad launch from me. But listen, the people at home need to see the real result. It's not fair.
No, I don't want to.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Lamborghini just about won, crossing the line first, though both cars did the standing quarter mile in 11.8 seconds.
Now we're going to a rolling race, around 50 miles an hour. He's in his sporty setting, manual mode for the gearbox. Obviously this is fully automatic and electric, so I'm going to call it in. So this is a race of the half mile. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, you're gone, mate. Gotcha.
God, no! Come on! No!
Oh, here we go.
Ah, get!
That was nice. It's picking up really nice. I think the weather, it's nice and cold.
You won that, didn't you?
Yeah, this could be a clean sweep day for me, mate. That's 2-0, I'd say.
Now we're going to a rolling race, this time from 30 miles an hour. He's going to have his car in automatic mode, but it's in Corsa. So this is how he drives on the road, right? You drive in Corsa on the road, right?
All the time, but let's go, mate. Stop extending the race. Let's go.
3, 2, 1, go. Come on! He's not going to catch. Oh, he's coming now. He's coming. Come on!
I've got him.
No way! Come on! Oh!
Yeah!
Gotta say, your car was so cool in a way. When you kicked down, the noise from the exhaust was like it was almost like clearing its nose full of catarrh. Like this real snorty sound. I thought I was going to see it like gauze a big greenie onto the runway.
So at 30 miles an hour in second gear. So
He kicked me down to first gear. And
the car feels very, very fast today. You know, some days the car just feels faster than usual. Feels fast today.
Did it win that as well?
So that's 3-0. And let's just do the brake test just to finish it off.
Okay, now we're going to have a brake test from 100 miles an hour. When we reach the line, full emergency stop. Which car will stop in the shortest distance? Can I save some face for Tesla? Let's stamp on this brake pedal now.
Come on! Oh!
Guess what?
You won one.
I've won that.
Well done.
I won that.
I won 3 out of 1. 3 out of 4.
There's this thing called the peak end rule, which means you remember experiences, either the peak of the experience or the end of the experience, and this is the end of the experience, and as far as I'm concerned, it's also the peak. So all people will take away from this is that you lost overall.
We both know the truth. That's all that matters. And that is the end of this video.
Hey, do you know what? If you'd like to see a great deal on a performance SUV that is way less expensive than that Urus, but still really good, found an offer on carwow you will not believe. Click on the pop-out banner up there for the link in the description below to see what it is. And if you haven't done so already, why don't you follow Yianni's channel, his own personal channel, Yianni. So you can do that by clicking on the pop-out banner up there for the link in the description below. Anyway, enough of that. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. If you didn't, give it a dislike. If you want to take the mickey out of Yianni, just leave it in the comments below. If you want to take the mickey out of me, don't. Click on those windows there for some more videos, and on that box there to check out the carwow drag race leaderboard to see how these cars compared to other cars we've drag raced over the years. Thanks for watching.